What's up guys, welcome back to No Cap Invest. Let's get straight to it. Today, I'm gonna go over what trades I did. Then, I'm gonna be giving a really quick crash course on DeFi, aka decentralized finance. And then, I'm gonna be picking up my Tesla, which I crashed about 2 months ago in the crazy winter storm here that we had in Texas. So I'm really happy about that. So I bought a lot of different stocks, but just to give a quick little summary, I have about 120, 130 stocks in my portfolio, all of which are long-term holds. And when I invest, I only put in $50 to $200, and I do this like 1 to 3 times a week. So the stocks I bought today, really fast. Maxar Technologies, a space satellite company, ticker MAXR. I bought 1 share for $33. Jumia Technologies is basically the Amazon of Africa. I bought 2 shares for $53. Tickers QYLD and RYLD are covered call ETFs for the Russell 2000 and NASDAQ 100 respectively that pay monthly dividends. Then I bought some ticker MARA, Marathon Patent Group, which is a Bitcoin mining company that I recently talked and heard the managing director speak on a Forbes crypto call, and he was very smart, and I really like their company and what they're doing. Then I bought some Lemonade, which is an insurance company and an app that you can use to insure your house and your pets and stuff like that. And a really cool company, and I'm a customer as well, and I like to invest in companies that I use on a daily basis. Then I bought some Bumble, some Plug, and I received dividends from these companies that automatically reinvested. So what the hell is DeFi? What is DeFi? DeFi, bro, is the new thing. It's super cool. You gotta do it, you don't have to do it. But it's really cool. It's pretty risky. It can be complicated, but if you educate yourself and you know what you're doing, it's very, very fruitful. I myself have been doing DeFi stuff for like a long time, since it's been out. So like this started all like a couple of years ago with the new capabilities of the Ethereum network. And when projects like Compound and other chains have now come online. God, my English sucks. Okay, first app I recommend to everyone that's just getting into crypto and DeFi would be Crypto.com. And Crypto.com is a cool app that you can use, and you can even get a debit card through them that gives you crypto cash back and 100% back your Netflix subscription, 100% back your Amazon Prime subscription, and all this crazy benefits depending on what card you get. And I have the purple card from them, which I've had for almost over a year now. And as you can see here, you have 2 different wallets on here. You have your crypto wallet and your crypto earn wallet. And you can buy crypto here with a credit card directly, and then you can basically stake it. So as you can see here, I'm gonna hit this plus arrow in the top right corner. And these are all the different cryptos that you can deposit and earn interest on. And the interest rates vary. If you click the little question mark in the top right corner, it'll tell you what exactly the interest rates are for all the different cryptos. So for example, 6% on Crypto.com coin, 3% on VeChain, 3% on Cardano. That's the maximum, and that's you have to understand that the rates differ based if you have what kind of card you have and how much Crypto.com coin you have. So anyways, it is still pretty easy to get started on here, and you can stake all the main cryptos: Ether, Bitcoin, Icon, Cardano, VeChain, and you can start here. But if you want to get better rate, then my friends, you got to move on to the big boy DeFi app. So upgrading from Crypto.com, I would say Nexo is your best bet. Nexo doesn't have as many features as Crypto.com, but they pay their interest out daily, and you can get loans on your crypto without selling your crypto immediately. So this is really cool. You can get money from your cryptos, but you don't have to sell them, and you get your interest paid out daily. And on here you can stake Bitcoin, Ether, Nexo, and then the stable coins, Stellar, XLM, PAXG, which is the cryptocurrency tied to the price of gold, Tron, and Chainlink. So this is really cool. And of course, links. Nexo doesn't have an affiliate program. I wish they did, but if you want to sign up for them, I guess you just look for them on. Otherwise, all the apps will be in the description and on the Linktree link. So if you really want to get into DeFi, you got to use Trust Wallet. You don't have to use Trust Wallet, but this is by far the most advanced and full-featured app out there. Trust Wallet, in my opinion, is light years ahead of all the other companies and apps in terms of turning DeFi into a user-friendly experience and giving it to the masses. So on Trust Wallet, you have access to all the different decentralized apps, aka dApps, including SushiSwap, Venus, Beefy Finance, and Pancake Finance, Uniswap. And those are all different types of networks and cryptos that you can use to do DeFi. Basically loan your crypto out, stake your crypto, earn interest. And I don't have time to go through all of these, but I will go through Pancake Finance really quick as an example. So Pancake Finance runs on the Binance chain, so it needs BNB to complete its transactions, and it has its native cryptocurrency Cake, and you can stake your Cake. Right now the APY is 149% if you put it on auto stake, and then with the Cake you can sell it on an exchange. Cake is selling for about $20 or $30 each. You can buy lottery tickets, you can buy NFTs, you can buy collectibles, you can do all kinds of stuff, and you do this by connecting your MetaMask. Oh, and by the way, if you're not using Brave browser at this point, you really need to start using Brave browser. The damn thing pays you to use the internet. I've earned like almost $300 worth of BAT, which is the crypto from Brave browser, just from using Brave over the last few years. Be sure you sync it on all the different devices though. You have to use the blockchain key on your phone, on your laptop, and all the devices that you use the internet on, and then you receive BAT for viewing ads or just using the internet in general. It's really cool. All right, I think the Tesla is just about ready. Oop.